Imagine the biting cold of winter setting in, and with it, a familiar foe emerges: dry skin. As the chill nips at your cheeks, you may notice an unwelcome change in your skin's texture. It's that dreaded dryness, an all-too-common enemy we often battle during the colder months. You know the signs: the itchiness that seems never-ending, the flakiness that no amount of exfoliation can banish, and the redness that feels as harsh as the winter wind itself. Not only is it uncomfortable, but it can also put a damper on your confidence. But why does our skin seem to turn against us when the temperature drops? The science behind it is quite simple. As we trade balmy breezes for harsh winds, the humidity levels plummet. This, coupled with the dry heat from indoor heating systems, strips your skin of its essential moisture. It's a battle fought on two fronts: the external environment and our own homes. Our skin, the body's largest organ, is designed to protect us. But in winter, it needs a little extra help to perform its job effectively. As the mercury drops, the struggle with dry skin begins. But fear not, for every problem, there's always a solution. Meet Jane, a woman in her 30s who every winter waged a war against her dry skin. Jane's story is one of trials and tribulations, a journey of exploration and discovery in the world of skincare. She had tried every product under the sun, hoping to find a solution to her dry skin woes, only to be met with disappointment time and again. She had lotions that left her skin feeling greasy, ointments that caused breakouts, and creams that, while promising, failed to deliver the long-lasting moisture she so desperately needed. But Jane was a fighter, and she was not about to admit defeat. She began to delve deeper into the world of skincare, researching and learning about the essential elements of a good moisturizer. She discovered that not all moisturizers are created equal. Some are packed with fragrances that can irritate the skin, while others contain harsh chemicals that can strip the skin of its natural oils. Jane learned that the best moisturizers are often the simplest ones. They are cream or ointment-based products that are fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, and gentle on the skin. They are designed to lock in moisture, protect the skin from environmental damage, and support the skin's natural barrier function. With this newfound knowledge, Jane set out on a mission to find her perfect moisturizer. She tried popular products like CeraVe, Vanicream, and Cetaphil, each one offering a unique blend of skin-nourishing ingredients. She experimented with different application techniques, applying the moisturizer after cleansing her skin in the morning and at night, and even using sunscreen as the last step in her morning skincare routine. After weeks of trial and error, Jane finally found her holy grail moisturizer. It was a game changer. Her skin was no longer dry and flaky, but soft and smooth. Her complexion was radiant, and she felt confident and comfortable in her own skin. Finally, Jane found her skin's best ally. Her winters were no longer dreaded, but welcomed with open arms and well-moisturized skin. Jane's story is a testament to the power of perseverance and the importance of finding the right skincare products for your unique skin needs. After all, when it comes to skincare, one size does not fit all. Jane's journey to find the right moisturizer was not easy, but it was worth the effort. Let's revisit the key points we've learned from her experience. The importance of a good moisturizer cannot be overstated, especially when battling the harsh effects of cold weather on our skin. It acts as a shield, protecting our skin and maintaining a healthy barrier. When choosing a moisturizer, it's crucial to remember that not all products are created equal. You should look for cream or ointment-based products that are fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, and gentle on the skin. Some recommended products include Vanicream, CeraVe, and Cetaphil. But remember, your skin is unique, and what works for Jane may not work for you. Good skincare habits extend beyond just moisturizing. Always apply your chosen product after cleansing, both in the morning and at night. And don't forget the sunscreen as a final step in the morning. If your skin's dryness persists or worsens, considering a visit to a dermatologist might be the next step. As we wrap up, it's time to reflect. Are you giving your skin the care it deserves during the winter? Remember, every skin type has a perfect match. It's all about finding the right one. Now that we've understood the significance of a good moisturizer and how to choose one, let's put it all together in a comprehensive skincare routine. Remember, skincare is not just about one product, but a combination of products that work together to provide the best results. Start your day with a gentle cleanser to remove any buildup from the night before. Next, apply a toner to balance your skin's pH levels and prepare it for the moisturizer. The star of our show, the moisturizer, comes next. Choose a product that suits your skin type, as we've discussed, and apply it evenly over your face and neck. As a final step for your morning routine, don't forget the sunscreen. This is your shield against the harmful UV rays that can cause premature aging and other skin problems. At night, begin again with your gentle cleanser. This time, it's to remove the dirt, oil, and makeup from the day. After your toner, you can apply a serum or treatment product if you use one. This could be a retinol cream or a vitamin C serum, for example. Finally, seal everything in with your chosen moisturizer. Remember, consistency is key in skin care. It might take some time to see results, but don't give up. Keep your routine simple and doable. And if your skin continues to feel dry or irritated, consult with a dermatologist. Now, it's your turn. Are you ready to give your skin the care it deserves? All right, skincare enthusiasts. We've walked through the battle against dry skin, finding the right moisturizer and how to incorporate it into a comprehensive skincare routine. Now let's talk about the real secret to skincare success: consistency and patience. Yes, you heard it right. It's not about the most expensive products or the latest trends. It's about sticking to your routine, day in and day out. And most importantly, it's about being patient. Remember, your skin didn't become dry overnight, so don't expect it to become flawless overnight either. It's a journey, not a destination. So take it one day at a time and celebrate small victories along the way. Notice how your skin feels after you moisturize. Appreciate the glow that comes from consistent care. And if you're feeling discouraged, remember why you started. Your skin is worth it. You are worth it. And remember, we're here to support you on this journey. If you have any questions or need further advice, don't hesitate to reach out. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more skincare tips and tricks. Keep glowing beautiful.